Okay, so in this lesson, I want to talk about getting into the research analytics for audio, for audible.com, and just focus down a little bit more than the last lesson. So I'm here in audible.com, and the parameters, the analytics that you want to stay within, I've given you parameters for the Kindle on Amazon.com. Now I want to give you parameters for audible.com. So if we take the same keyword topic we were talking about, if you look at keto diet, we hit search, you're going to see that the competition, there's 1,185 results, right? So if we go back to keto diet, and we let Audible let us know which are the most typed in keywords. The first one is keto diet for beginners, and the last one is keto dieta, meaning this is a Spanish book. So the further you get away from the top, obviously this is going to be the least typed in keywords, the less traffic. So let's take a look at it. We typed in keto diet, we had 1185. We click on keto diet in Spanish, and there's only 31 results, less competition. Let's look at keto diet again. Let's see the suggestions. Let's look at keto diet 2020. Very specific, only 34 results, less competition. Let's do that again, and let's look at keto diet cookbook, 292. All right, so let me give you the parameters when you're starting off. Number one, you should not be starting off with diet books for Audible. You should stay away from this area. I do have many books on dieting. I stay away from dieting now. I'm tired of it, to be honest with you, but they're not going to be great Audible books. You want to capitalize and get your return on investment from multiple areas. This is what I'm teaching you. This is the strategy. This is the edge that we have, that we're going to get income from many different sources. If you start publishing books on dieting, then you're going to limit the amount of income you're going to make from Audible. And in Audible, as you're going to see throughout the course, you could do multiple figures. So we do anywhere between 15 to 30,000 just on Audible. That's how powerful it is. So do not start on this topic, on this niche, the health niche of dieting cookbooks. But I'm just going to show you this as an example to give you parameters on any topic, any keyword that you're searching. So you want to stay in the upper area if you're going to be publishing as a parameter. So keto diet for beginners, the competition is 491. Let's look at keto diet. Let's look at keto diet cookbook, 292. These are the areas. So between 100 and 400, although there's a lot of competition, that's a sweet spot because there's enough traffic, there's enough people publishing in this space that gives you an indication that there's people buying these books. So if you try to publish in a keyword like keto diet 2020, where there's 34 results, you're not going to get that many sales. There's just not enough traffic here. And the marketplace is telling you, because people are not publishing so many books with the title 2020. 2021 comes, 2022, these books are irrelevant, right? So you want to stay within the sweet spot. The parameter is between 100 and 400 in results as you begin. Later on, you could get into the bigger areas where there's a lot of competition. Let's see, self-discipline. How many results here? 921. Let's see, self-discipline for success, 193. All right, so this would be a sweet spot. Self-discipline for success as a subtitle or a title. Less competition, but enough traffic, because you're going to fall within the umbrella of self-discipline, but you're coming down to a more focused area in Audible between the 100 and 400, where there's enough traffic, and you'll have better success at establishing quicker sales in your book. All right, so the parameters, just to be clear, on audible.com is to be between 100 and 400 in the results area, and that's where you should begin. And stay away from diet books to start your publishing business, at least for Audible. If you want to do it on your own for Kindle, that is up to you, but my strategy teaches you to sell books on multiple platforms, including audible.com. All right, I'll see you on the next one.